Look at them. Look at you.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I go by the Fashion Doll. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the text appear behind you in Capcut. So let's get started. If you don't already have the Capcut app, go ahead and download it. Once you download that, go ahead and click on Capcut and open that up. Click on the video that you want to add the text behind. Then go to text, type in whatever you want to put. I put in makeup tutorial since this is a makeup tutorial. You can change the style, the fonts, or the color to make it your own. Then drag out the text message to the end of the video or however long you want the words to be. Once you have done that, you can click on the first video and then head over to duplicate. Once you duplicate that, head over to overlay. Click that second video and drag it all the way to the beginning. Click on the second video, head over to remove background, and then you're going to click on auto removal and then the check mark. Once you've done that, head over to layers, drag that last video to the front, and then that's it. That's how you get the text message behind you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.